When the goal is a pristine finish, precision matters. You need a sod cutter that takes the job seriously. The Classen PRO Sod Cutter is a simplified machine that's serious on sod. The no-hassle design of the Pro Sod Cutter makes it easy to operate. An integrated throttle on the operator handle, easy-to-set drive setting panel, and blade engagement and adjustment levers are all within easy reach. Open access to grease points and service areas makes maintenance hassle-free too, keeping the job moving to save time and money. PRO stands for productive. With the fastest transport speed in the industry, the PRO Sod Cutter is 35% faster than any other brand of sod cutter. Powered reverse makes unloading the unit and getting in and out of tight areas quick and easy too. The standard 18-inch cutting blade can easily be changed in a matter of minutes to power optional blade assemblies to cut in 12, 16, 20, or 24-inch widths as well. Now that's productivity. The most compact sod cutter in the industry. The PRO Sod Cutter utilizes an integrated rear swivel that takes advantage of the unit's short length to provide unmatched smooth and easy steering. The rear wheel can also lock in place for precision straight line cutting. Knobby tread drive wheels eliminate dirt buildup for secure grip and traction. A hydrostatic drive transmission provides smooth and consistent power flow, while an advanced vibration isolation system with 6 isometric bearings absorbs vibration for a smoother operation and greater user comfort. The Classen cutting blade system positions the blade at the center of the unit, ensuring consistent depth and a level cut. A 20 stroke per second blade speed provides a clean, finished edge. Classen PRO Sod Cutters are powered by reliable Honda GX engines and are backed by a 2-year warranty. Built to use and designed to last, the PRO Sod Cutter is ideal for rental and commercial use. Classen, serious lawn care made easy.